Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host Intellect Digest, and what we have here is the Sennheiser AMBEO smart headsets. These are smart wired headset from Sennheiser, and these are meant for Apple devices. The Android versions of the same will also be rolled out later on, and these are premium earphones with some unique functionalities. So in this video, we are going to quickly unbox the same, and I'm gonna give you my impressions after using them with my iPhone 7 Plus, and I'll tell you my impressions of the same. So let's get started. Well, opening this box was quite simple. I just had to remove the top flap and this whole thing comes out. And here you have a quick start guide, a quick manual which tells you how to use this. Apart from that, there is a carrying case that has been provided. This is a nylon fabric case. Apart from that, there are some more documentations which includes important safety information, warranty guides, etc. And here is the real deal, the Sennheiser AMBEO smart headsets. Now, what is smart about them? Smart thing about them is this module that you see here and these microphones that are provided on these headsets. This provides you active noise cancellation as well as 3D audio recording capabilities. Now, how it does that, there are microphones on each headset on left and right, and there is this standard microphone that you get on the headset, and this unit here smartly processes that when you're recording an audio or recording a video with this thing. It uses all the microphones and does that recording in 3D sound. So whenever you record a video with this headset on, it has the 3D audio. And when you're listening to your music and using this headset for your music consumption or audio consumption, it works as a noise cancelling headset. It does not have a battery, it derives its power using the lightning port that it gets. So it works with Apple devices including iPhones and iPads, and there is a toggle here to turn on or turn off the noise cancellation. There is also ambient awareness mode that lets you enable the ambient noise or disable the ambient noise, and this is how it looks. It says power by Apogi, and there are some buttons here. So this one, the large button, looks like a sort of toggle. There is plus minus button, and there is one more button, and there's a slider here. So let me use it for some time and get back to you with my impressions. After testing these out and experiencing them, now I can tell you my impressions about these. Basics first, these sound really good. Now you let go of the noise cancellation feature or anything, the general sound quality of these earbuds is really good. They sound very clear, they do not crackle at high ends, they have very good instrument separation, good lows, mids and highs. So overall sound quality is pretty good. Even they get very loud when you turn them towards full volume, and I would not recommend that. You would probably not need that because they are quite well amplified, probably because of this unit compared to any other wired headset that I have used with my iPhone. They sound louder and clearer. Second thing about the noise cancellation, now by the virtue of multiple microphones that this has, it has very effective noise cancellation. But since I'm using full size noise cancellation over the ear headphones for quite some time, I can definitely tell that these are not as effective. The in the ear noise cancellation definitely works, but it does not work as well as the over the ear properly cupped noise cancellation works. So it is good for commute, it is good for travel where you can't carry heavy headphones. And plus side of this is that these are wired, so you do not need to recharge them. You can just take them wherever you go. You can put them in your bag and forget to charge it because it does not require charging, unlike most conventional wired, most conventional Bluetooth noise cancellation headsets, which required constant charging and they work for a few hours and then require recharging. This one does not require recharging. It can also record in 3D when you are taking videos. That is a 3D sound, but I doubt most people are gonna use it for that. Most people want it for noise cancellation. This large switch that you see here, this is the toggle. On one side it enables noise cancellation, on the other side it disables noise cancellation. Say you are at the airport but you want to listen to the announcements, pause the music, turn off the noise cancellation, you can listen to the ambient noise. As soon as you turn on the noise cancellation, it cuts off the ambient noise. And this one is for recording. So this is also a toggle, so you can toggle between natural as well as reduced noise. And there is this red LED indicator. This is while you're recording audio, it indicates whether it is taking 3D audio. These are the multifunction controls that you have here. These are the volume control, and the middle button behaves differently when you're listening to music. It plays and pauses the tracks. When you double tap, it skips the track, and so on. So this is a multi-purpose button like any other Apple headset would use. The build quality here feels good and sturdy. The cable quality also feels quite good and sturdy. This costs quite high, so approximately 20,000 rupees or $300 depending on which market you are buying it in. But this is a quality pair of earphones. They cost a lot, but they also offer you something unique, which is noise cancellation in a compact form factor without the need of battery recharging. Now that is the USP of these Sennheiser AMBEO headsets. You can pick them up if you're looking for high quality in-ear earbuds that also offer noise cancellation but without the hassles of charging. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to pick up them for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can buy one at the Best Buy price. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thank you.